Brad Williams, XL Prime. How about mortgage payments or interest rate payments on a loan? What is the interest rate? Today, we have a simple formula. It's the rate formula. It's going to regurgitate whatever inputs we throw into the sink, so to speak, and it's going to generate a rate. Let's see how this works. What's the interest rate based on a $10,000 loan for 7 years with monthly principal and interest of $165.73? The rate function can be used to determine the periodic interest rate for a loan, given the loan amount, number of payment, and payment amount. Loans consist of 4 primary elements: the principal amount, 10 grand, the interest rate, 6%, the number of payment, 84, the monthly payment, 146.09. Okay, I've already given away the answer. Pretend the interest rate isn't there. We're going to figure out this rate. In this example, we want to determine the annual interest rate. This is the annual interest rate. Because we're taking the monthly payments, if this was semi-annual, we would multiply that times 2. If it was quarterly, by 4, and daily, we have to multiply that times the number of periods. And then we'd have to adjust some other stuff. You see this payment here? It would be different. It would be higher because of the compounding effect. And this number would probably be different. In this example, we want to determine the annual interest rate on 10 grand with payments of $146,000 over 84 months. C6, C7, negative C4 times C8. The function arguments have the following format: number of periods. The number of periods, 84, 7 times 12. Year, compounding periods per year, 12. And can be found in cell C7. The payment is 146 and originates in cell C6. Payment is a negative value. I don't want to see this in red, so I remove the negative. The rate function returns 0.5, which is the periodic interest rate. Multiply that times 12. There we go. Rate, C7. Number of periods, payment, C6. Present value, negative C4. Why? It's a loan. We have to put it as negative. Times C8 is 12. The outcome will be 6%. We're going to get into number of periods and PV and FV, but that's a quick overview of determining the interest on a loan amount and a payment. Brad Williams, XL Prime.